nakita niyo sa sama ng mga makasalanan. Kaya niyo ginagawa.
Siyempre, yung unang konsiderasyon mo yung strength of the story mo. Kailangan mahalaga kasi yun ang material mo. Kung anong material mo, doon ako nagbibig. Tapos yung mga katrabaho mo, kita mo maganda nila, kahit masalanan sila. Pero siyempre, kami ni Direk, kakatrabaho namin sa very successful critical commercial success of Lola the King. So, anyways, nakakamiss ang theater release. No? Gusto ko ma-experience ulit. Itong panahon namin, mga pelikula talagang binibilahan, mga box office, at tapos yung experience of watching in the mass na marami kayo, yun ang nakakamiss dahil sa mga TV. But ito, napakalaki ng story ni Direk. He is the writer and is the director, and with a very good-looking cast. And of course, we're hoping that it will be a commercial and critical success. Ano kasi ito parang social-political satire. Kung may gusto kang mensahe na ibigay, one of the biggest and most effective means is through comedy. You laugh because you relate. You laugh because alam mo, totoo. And that makes a really good comedy. And at the same time, you go home and say, tama. And also, believe in second chances. Huwag tayo mawala ng pag-asa kasi may solusyon naman. Kung gugustuhin natin. Thank you po.